The 5 bodyweight exercises Navy SEALs use to defy aging. Navy SEALs stay strong, mobile, and resilient well into later life by focusing on simple, functional bodyweight movements that train the entire body as a system, not isolated muscles. These exercises improve mobility, balance, joint health, and long-term strength, helping slow down age-related decline. This concept is highlighted in the referenced video and articles, which emphasize functional, minimalist training used by SEALs and former SEALs like Jocko Willink. The 5 key bodyweight exercises. Below are the 5 core movements consistently mentioned across SEAL-inspired training content. Each bullet is highlighted for exploration. Push UPS, build upper body strength, protect shoulder joints, and maintain chest/arm power. Pull UPS, strengthen the back, grip, and posture, essential for functional upper body longevity. Air squats, maintain leg strength, hip mobility, and balance, critical for aging well. Planks, train core stability, protect the spine, and improve full body control. Burpees, boost cardiovascular fitness, coordination, and metabolic health with no equipment. These movements align with the SEAL philosophy of minimalist, functional, longevity-focused training described in the search results. Why Navy SEALs use these exercises. Full body strength. SEALs train the body as a unified system, not isolated muscles. Joint protection. Bodyweight movements reduce wear and tear while improving mobility. Longevity. These exercises maintain muscle mass, balance, and coordination as you age. Zero equipment can be done anywhere, anytime. A core SEAL principle. Consistency over intensity. SEALs often avoid training to failure, focusing on sustainable volume. Sample SEAL-inspired routine. Push UPS, 3x20. Pull UPS, 3x5, 10. Air squats, 3x25. Plank, 60 seconds. Burpees, 3x10. This mirrors the simple, disciplined approach described in SEAL training content. Benefits for aging well. Improved mobility, better balance, and fall prevention. Stronger bones and joints. Higher metabolism, better posture, and core stability. These benefits align with the Defy Aging theme highlighted in the reference video. Citations. Sources. YouTube. The 5 bodyweight exercises Navy SEALs use to defy aging. MUI Fitness. Jocko Willink's 5 exercises for strength and longevity. BoxLife Magazine. BoxLife Magazine. SEAL training principles for long-term strength.